This batch of silica looks perfect. Excellent, let's check the soda ash. Sand and ash are in. Mixer is at speed. Looks consistent. The mixture is feeding in perfectly. Temperature is stable at 1500.
The size is perfect. Maintain this speed.
The spherical tolerance is perfect.
Increasing the flow rate slightly.
Flame polishing removes all surface imperfections, revealing vibrant, crystal-clear colors inside. Every marble is strictly checked.
We must check every single one for air bubbles. This batch is running at exactly 16 millimeters.
Each marble is carefully counted by hand. A perfect heat seal ensures they are airtight. Only the flawless pouches make the final cut. Every carton is packed with absolute precision. Safe handling is a top priority here. This ensures maximum stability during transit.